Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in our previous video, we explained the law of logarithm, which is product rule. And I emphasized on this law and I explained it in detail. So let us take a look into examples. Okay, we're going to take a look into an example of law number 1. For example, we are given log bracket 81 times 9 bracket, let us say base 3. So according to the law, we are saying whenever we are multiplying base d plus logₐ base d, we split the values that we are having. So in this case now, it means our solution will be log 81 base 3 plus log 9 base 3, which is equals to log 81, according to the laws of exponent, 81 is equals to 3 power 4 and 9 is equals to 3 power 2. So why am I converting to a base 3 in laws of exponent? Because this is a base and the base is the same as this base. So you convert to a base that is equivalent to the logarithm base, because this remains the logarithm base in exponent. So here we get 3 power 4 base 2 or base 3 plus log 3 power 2 base 3. As long as we're having an exponent, it means we move it here. All the exponent, they come this side. So it will be 4 log 3 base 3 plus 2 log 3 base 3. Now, here has come to another concept. Another concept says that log 3 base 3 is equals to 1. As long as we are having a logarithm which is similar with a base. For example, log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. Why are we saying like that? Let us give another example. Log 2 base 2. According to our previous videos, we say we let x be equals to log 2 base 2, and we push this up. It will be 2 power x is equals to 2 power 1, as you can see. So since the bases are the same, it means x is equals to 1. That's where it is coming from. Like, as long as it is log 3 base 3, the answer is 1. Log 10 base 10, the answer is 1. Log 6 base 6, the answer is 1. Because when you let the value to x, you get a final solution, which is this one. So in this case now, we are saying 4 times 1, because log 3 base 3 is 1, plus 2 times 1 again, which gives us an answer 4 plus 2, which is equals to 6. So this is the final solution for this question. For your question, I want you to find log 64 base 4. Find this. Thank you guys for watching. See you on next video. Bye-bye.